Well, good afternoon, everyone. It's 10 to 4 on Tuesday, the 24th of November. A great start by markets today and overnight. As you can see, the S&P up 42 ticks and going strongly. Advances more than twice above the declines. And of course, all of the trends on Vector Vest are up. Markets are in a mega overbought situation, but they can stay up there for a while. So all our trends are in great shape. So let's have a look at the VectorVest composite. And there it is, pushing up, gapped up a little bit today. The primary wave has been up since the 3rd of November, and that's one heck of a move. As you can see, all the momentum indicators and the breadth of the market stretched on the upside. Nevertheless, the thing is still going, and I'm holding my position. So if we have a look at the S&P 500, we see a very exciting situation because that is the move up, the election move up. That is the Pfizer spike, and it's come back in this little triangle. Yesterday's low was in fact defined exactly by the lower lines of the triangle, and today it's broken out of that little triangle. I think that the key level, folks, is 3640 still on the S&P. Above 3640, then we can see an awful lot of upside. The shorts are clearly sweating here. They've been short from up around here, and they'll be sweating this afternoon. God bless them. That pattern yesterday was a very useful pattern because it's a pattern that I in fact observed many years ago. An inside day followed by an outside day, and that's what I call a pop gun, and it predicts a fast move. So it's actually saying that there's a good move ahead of us. My stomach has been saying for weeks now that I believe we'll get a decent move up into Christmas, and with any luck it's starting early. So a breakout, certainly a close above this level, that trend line would be quite strong confirmation that we've got a move here. Certainly a break above 3640, a close above 3640, and even though this market is in a mega overbought situation, there's still enough legs in it. Many of you will know that the target from a move like this, the first target, folks, would be the breadth of the triangle itself. So take that breadth of that triangle and add it up there, and that would take us quite a way up to the guts of well, it would take us up another couple of hundred S&P points. The bigger target, of course, would be that this flagpole is repeated on the upside, but let's be content with this one from now on. Just be aware, folks, that this market is in a mega overbought situation. So I don't think those of you that have positions at the minute want to take any fishing trips or long vacations. You need to keep your eye on it. I'm holding the shares that I spoke about last Friday, and they've moved exceptionally well for me. Off a little bit today, not the end of the world. GRWG has been great. AMD I bought into is pretty much where I got in. Snap I bought into, and it's $0.50 underwater. I only bought that yesterday. It gapped up yesterday, so I didn't get a good level. Roku, I'm well up in Roku at 277. I bought it a mile below that. Square, reasonably well up in Square again. I bought it at 190. It's at 203. Okay, so I've got a few positions here. Maybe I should have been more aggressive. The market being in a mega overbought situation, in fact, caused me to maybe not be as aggressive as I should be. The foot went off the petrol in the UK yesterday, but that's not the case today, and the market's up and up very strongly today as well with the US. And I see Cranswick has pushed its head above £40 again on excellent results this morning. So I'm holding all the positions that I mentioned last Friday. Nothing has changed there. I'm still very happy with them. As you will have heard, the gold price has fallen through the floor. I felt that there was a strong possibility that the market could break that 1848 level, and I have been advising anybody who'll listen to me that I wasn't buying into any gold shares until I saw a close above 1900. Clearly that strategy needs to be reviewed now, because the market's pulled back to about 1800 the last time I looked. The 62% of the last range was at 1825, and the market went through that. The gold market went through that like a knife through butter this morning. The next Fibonacci is down around 1750. Let's hope the 1800 level can hold it. Sooner or later there's going to be a great buying opportunity in gold, but we need to let the dust settle here, folks. So I won't be doing anything. I don't think I'll do anything. Review the situation after the US holiday. Just remember, this is a holiday week, folks, and I would have thought by tomorrow lunchtime things will be getting very quiet indeed. Thursday's their big day across there. I was in Charlotte, North Carolina on the Friday of after Thanksgiving last year, wandering around looking for a cup of coffee, and everything was closed. So I don't think that there'll be a great deal of activity from tomorrow lunchtime right through to next Monday. Nevertheless, markets in the US running strongly today. The S&P up 42 ticks, 42 points at 36.18. 36.40 is the key. Gets through 36.40, then we can actually go very strongly indeed. Again, no long fishing trips. MTI 171, mega overbought. Buy sell ratio 4.22, mega overbought. So we have to be careful. Any bad news and this thing will snap back on us. So watch your stops very carefully indeed. Take care of yourselves. Bye bye now.